Hello everyone, welcome to Rishmi Sharma classes, and our today's topic is transition metal pi complexes. So firstly we will discuss what are transition metal pi complex, how will we define it, and after that we will discuss some methods of preparation of transition metal pi complex. Right guys? So let's start. Uh, the molecule which have multiple bonds such as carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond, nitrogen-oxygen double bond, nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond, etc. can form complexes with transition metal. These complexes are called transition metal pi complex, right? It means the compound in which transition metal is involved and pi bonding is involved, like double bond or triple bond you can say, right? So, transition metal alkene complex, the complexes in which transition metal is bonded to alkene ligands are called transition metal alkene complex. So, firstly we will discuss some method of preparation. So, first transition method alkene complex synthesis was Zeiss salt, that is potassium trichloroplatinate with ethylene. It is a yellow colored substance. Now, what are the methods of preparation of transition metal pi complex? Some methods of preparation are just given here. Let's discuss. First, first one is by reflection ethanoic solution of potassium tetrachlor. Just a minute. By reflection ethanoic solution of potassium tetrachloroplatinate. It means when potassium tetrachloroplatinate is reflected with ethanoic solution, then it will give you Zeiss salt plus some water molecule and potassium chloride will get released. So it is the formula of Zeiss salt which is most important component of transition metal pi complex. And after this video, in next video we will discuss the structure of Zeiss salt and method of preparation of Zeiss salt, right guys? Second one method is by prolonged shaking of solution of potassium tetrachloroplatinate in dilute with ethylene. So this reaction is generally slow. It can be speeded up by a small amount of stannous chloride, that is SnCl2. Is that clear? That we know that this reaction is a slow process. So to increase the rate of this reaction, we can add stannous chloride in this. After this, potassium tetrachloroplatinate is heated with ethylene in the presence of hydrochloric acid, or you can say stannous chloride. Then after shaking it will give you Zeiss salt plus potassium chloride, right? So next one method is by substitution in low valent metal. Here is a compound with low valent metal and we are reacting this with ethylene, then it will give you a complex formation. So to memorize this reaction you can take screenshot from here. In next reaction we are using a different kind of compound with iron metal, right? This is a metallic compound and we are reacting this with a hexene. So what will be the product formation? Hexane will get combined with this molecule, this compound, and it will also give you a complex formation just like it. So in both of these reaction, you can say low valent metal are getting combined with compounds and giving you a complex formation, right guys? Next one is by condensation of metal vapors with alkenes. Here iron is reacted with cyclooctadiene and it is giving a complex with cyclooctadiene with iron formation, right? And next method we can use synthesis of platinum cyclooctadiene with chlorine ions. So by reflection sodium tetrachloroplatinate with cis cycloocta 1,5-diene in an propyl alcohol. So reaction can be given is just like it. Here is a sodium with tetrachloroplatinate. When it is reacted with cyclooctadiene compound, then after refraction in the presence of an propyl alcohol, it will give you a compound formation like this. Here with uh, here platinum is a central metal, and two chlorine atoms are acquiring at corner position, and this is cyclooctadiene which is get combined with this, and from here sodium is get released with two chlorine ions. So you can say two sodium chloride will get released in this reaction, right guys? Next method of preparation can be given as this ones. By substitution of carbon monoxide of metal carbonyl by alkene, sorry, substitution of carbonyl of metal carbonyl by alkene. Here chromium with 6 carbonyl compounds, when it is reacted with cycloheptatriene, and this is structure of this cycloheptatriene, and it will get combined, right guys, and give removal of 3 carbonyls. So this is the next method of transition metal pi complex, right? For next preparation from metal allyl complex, you can use metal allyl complex. Here is a metal allyl complex, that magnesium is a metal and this is a allylic form, right? This is carbonyl. So in the presence of acid, so you can say in protonation or in the presence of acid, this will get this type of formation, free electrons, and it will get positive charge. Here is a lone pair. It means you can say shifting of electrons, right? In next step it will get positive charge here, and the product formation will be something like this, that manganese with carbonyls, and here is a double bond formation. So you can say it is propene combination. In next method, that is by beta elimination. So what do you mean by beta elimination? That beta hydrogen will get removed, right? So here is a metal complex in the presence of Grignard reagent, and after Grignard reagent this butyl will combine with this, and chlorine will get removed from here. So after beta elimination it will give you a reductive type of elimination. So what will be the product? Firstly we will get butene, then butane, and then metal complex with butene combination. So here is a three type of product combination, right? This butane will get deformed in three forms. So this was our method of preparation of transition metal pi complex. So next important structure was about cheese salt. I told you. What is cheese salt? Sorry guys, just a minute. This is cheese salt structure, that is platinum trichloride with ethylene, right guys? Here is the distance between central metal and chlorine is 2.30 angstrom. Here is 2.34. This one is also 2.30. You can say opposite distances will be equal, and the distance between ethylene and platinum will be less as compared to these. So that is 2.02 angstrom, right? You have to memorize these bond distances. The distance between carbon and carbon in ethylene, that is 1.375 angstrom. This is negative charge formation, so you can say anion of cheese salt. So we can show negative charge here. Ethylene is a neutral ligand, so there is no charge, and it is also a 2 electron donor, right guys? So in this video we will discuss just only method of preparation. We have discussed only method of preparation and cheese salt. That is a kind of formula, or you can say an example of transition metal pi complex. In next video we will discuss structure of cheese salt and its properties and complete explanation of it, right? So if someone have any kind of doubt in this video, then you can comment me. Guys, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.